First, insert 4 channel nuts with extended threads facing away from slotted hole in rail. Then insert end caps into both sides of rail and tighten retaining screws. Next, cut out provided drill guide and marked hole. Align drill guide with bed cap at rear of box, then mark for bolt location. Drill hole through bed cap and metal. Then align rear hole in rail with drilled hole in bed cap. Insert self-threading bolt, then tighten. Do not fully tighten. Ensure rail is parallel with inside edge of bed cap. Using holes in rail as template, drill hole through bed cap and metal at middle and front of box. Next, insert self-threading bolts into middle and front holes. Tighten bolts until flush. Then torque bolts to 85 inch-pounds. Repeat steps on opposite side. For remaining truck rack installation, refer to standard instructions.